In today's video I'm going to share with you another one of my strategies that I use personally and it has helped me to collect more than 1200 treasure chests. If you want to know the strategy, make sure to watch this video till the end. What's up you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I tried and tested these strategy using 3 accounts. It has seemed to work in all 3 of my accounts. Here in account number 1 I was able to collect more than 200 treasure chests in less than 4 days. Here in account number 2 I was able to collect more than 500 treasure chests in less than 2 weeks and I made a withdrawal on this account. Here's my proof of payment. As you can see here in account number 3 I was able to collect more than 1000 treasure chests in less than 4 weeks and I also made an withdrawal on this account tool. Here's my proof of withdrawal. You can look at the dates are not the same. So my strategy has proven to work, that is why I decided to share it with you guys. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing because I'm uploading videos on how to make money online for free. If you're new to Clipclaps, you can use this code to redeem your $1 welcome bonus. Without any waste of time, let's jump into our today's topic. First and foremost, a lot of people are questioning the legitimacy of Clipclaps. Let's get this out of the way. It is a legit app that pays users on a consistent basis. There may be times that they would be delayed in sending out payments. There are also instances where payments would be declined. But they would still pay everything as long as they don't see any irregular activity in your account. What is Clipclaps? Clipclaps is a mobile app that is available and free to download on both iOS and Android apps. The app rewards you to watch funny video clips. They are owned and operated by Grand Channel Entertainment Limited and have garnered over 1 million downloads. How it works. Firstly, you will need to download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Remember to redeem a sign-up bonus of $1 by clicking the link in the description box below or enter this code. Every 100,000 Clapcoins is equivalent to $1. It might seem difficult to achieve the cash out, but it does not take you much time to reach that. If you are a video lover, it is definitely a great app for you to get paid simply by watching videos, playing games and more. The funny videos you get to see in this app can also be found on YouTube or other social media platform. The main difference is that in Clipclaps, you get paid by viewing videos. You receive your earnings through PayPal and prepaid. As the first-time user you must have a total of 10 cents to cash out your rewards. From then on the minimum to make withdrawals is $15 cause at this time of this video the $10 minimum withdrawal is currently locked. Clipclaps can be downloaded and installed by people from any country. Cause it's available worldwide and free to download. It has a referral program. People you invite receive up to $1 when they start using the app for the first time and you receive prizes in diamond chests. The rewards obtained are called Clapcoins, which can be converted into real money. With that being said, let's jump quickly into this simple straight and forward strategy that I use to collect treasure chests each and every day. Step 1. Head over to your Clipclaps app and open the app. This how the Clipclaps app dashboard looks like. You'll see a bunch of videos you can watch and enjoy. Step 2. Look for a video that's longer than 10 minutes. Step 3. Click on it and let it play. All you have to do to collect your more treasure chest is simply by watching longer videos. Note that you don't have to watch it, you can let it play while you're busy with something else. You just click on the video that you like to watch or play. At the bottom right corner you will notice an orange line moving approaching the treasure chests as you watch the video. It will also start a countdown as it approaches the treasure chests and when the orange line reaches the treasure chest located on the far right of your screen. Sometimes you will also see extra chests during the orange line tour. This is how I was able to collect more than 1000 treasure chests. Remember, you can use this code to claim your $1 welcome bonus. So now, tell me if there's any other strategy that you use to collect treasure chests. You can drop your best comment in the comments section below to let me know. I love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.